Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a printer to your iPad. First, confirm your printer is powered on and both your iPad and printer are connected to the same wireless network. This is crucial. If they are on different networks, they cannot communicate with each other. A strong, stable Wi-Fi connection is the foundation for successful printing, so double-check those network settings before moving forward. Most home networks are compatible. The simplest way to print from an iPad is using AirPrint, Apple's native wireless printing solution. This technology allows your iPad to automatically discover and connect to compatible printers without installing additional software. Look for the AirPrint logo on your printer or consult its documentation to confirm compatibility. Most printers manufactured in the last 5 to 7 years will likely include this convenient feature, making printing incredibly straightforward. Once you have an AirPrint-compatible printer and your iPad on the same network, printing is very simple. Open the item you want to print, like a photo or a document. Tap the Share button, then scroll down and select Print. Your iPad will then search for available AirPrint printers. Choose your desired printer, adjust any settings like number of copies or paper size, and then tap Print in the top right corner. Your document will begin printing immediately. If your printer does not support AirPrint, don't worry, there's often still a solution. Most major printer manufacturers provide their own free mobile apps in the App Store. These apps act as an intermediary, allowing your iPad to send print jobs through the application. Download the app specific to your printer model, then follow its in-app instructions to connect. This method ensures you can still print documents, though it adds one extra step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.